Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make this delicious vegetable beef soup recipe. This is one of those recipes where you just throw all of your ingredients into one pot or a crock pot and leave it to cook. We're going to start off with 2 pounds of ground beef. I am using an 86% lean, 14% fat ground beef. Now go ahead and brown your ground beef until no pink is visible at all. Then go ahead and drain all of the grease from your ground beef. Now I learned this trick from Julia Pacheco's YouTube channel, and this is super brilliant. Next, we're going to go ahead and add 2 46-ounce cans of tomato juice to your pot here. Next, we're going to add 2 packets of Lipton onion soup mix. Then go ahead and grab yourself a 32-ounce bag of mixed vegetables. Now, since I decided to make this soup last minute, I didn't have time to thaw out my vegetables, and that is perfectly fine. Next, grab yourself a bag of cubed hash brown potatoes and put in about 6 cups to your pot here. Give all of your ingredients a really good stir until well combined. Then we're going to go ahead and put the lid on your Dutch oven or your pot or your crock pot, whichever you choose to use. Now go ahead and turn your stove eye on a medium to medium high until your soup is boiling really nice. Now once your vegetables have thawed out completely, we're going to go ahead and do a taste test to see if any spices are needed to your soup. I decided to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of salt, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I added about 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Now you can add some Italian seasonings or whatever seasonings that you desire to your soup. Go ahead and mix everything really well. Put your lid back on your pot and simmer on a medium to medium low until you are ready to eat. If you are a soup dipper like me, go ahead and make yourself a delicious grilled cheese, some corn pones, or some cornbread fritters to dip down into your soup. Or you can eat this soup with some oyster crackers or regular crackers as well. I hope you enjoy, y'all. Until next time, bye now.